Can ChatGPT build a better budget than you can? I decided to find out. I gave it my income, my expenses, and my financial goals. 5 minutes later, it found $400 I didn't know I was losing every single month. Here's the situation. Let's break down why this actually matters for you. If you're a truck driver, warehouse worker, HVAC tech, or a single mom, you're not short on work ethic. You're short on a system. Most budget apps are built for people with investment portfolios and subscription services for their subscription services. That's not us. We need a system that works for the way we actually live. What I wanted was something simple. A Google Sheets budget template that actually fits the way blue-collar income works. Irregular hours, overtime some weeks, nothing some others. I could have watched 6 hours of tutorials to build it. Instead, I asked ChatGPT. Here's the exact prompt I used. And I'm keeping this simple, because you don't need to be a tech person to do this. I typed, build me a monthly budget template in Google Sheets for someone earning $3,500 a month. Include income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, savings, and a row for unexpected costs. Make it easy to update every week. That's it, no coding, no formulas to memorize. What came back was more organized than anything I had put together on my own. And I'll be honest, my old budget was, well, let's just say it needed help. ChatGPT laid out 6 categories: fixed income, fixed expenses, rent, insurance, car payment, variable expenses, groceries, gas, utilities, irregular expenses, things that hit once a quarter, savings targets, and a running balance at the bottom. That last one, irregular expenses, that's where things got interesting. Because when I started filling it in, I noticed something I hadn't been tracking at all. I ran my last 3 months of bank statements through the template. Just copied the numbers in row by row. Here's what it found. I was spending $127 a month on subscriptions I had completely forgotten about. A streaming service I hadn't opened in 4 months. A cloud storage plan I upgraded once and never thought about again. An app I downloaded for one specific thing one time. On top of that, and this one actually surprised me, I was spending about $280 a month more on gas than I had estimated. Not because I was driving more, because I had never actually tracked it, I just assumed. Add that up, that's over $400 a month. Not gone to rent, not gone to groceries, gone to nothing. The answer is more complicated than you think, until you actually look at the numbers. Then it's very simple. Once you see the numbers, everything else falls into place. Here's how you set this up yourself, 5 minutes. Step 1, go to ChatGPT, use the prompt I'll drop in the comments, the exact one I used. Step 2, copy the template it gives you into a new Google Sheet, free, no downloads, no subscriptions. Step 3, pull up your last 2 months of bank statements. One category at a time. Fill in your actual numbers. Not what you think you spent, what you actually spent. That third step is where the work is. It's also where the money shows up. Once it's filled in, your running balance updates automatically. Every week you update your variable expenses, groceries, gas, whatever came up, and you know exactly where you stand before your next paycheck hits. You're not reacting to your money anymore, you're telling it where to go. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. You know your situation better than any app does. But if you're working 50-hour weeks and still wondering where it all goes, this is where it goes. And now you can stop it. Comment ScissorMoney below and I'll share the exact ChatGPT prompts I used to build this template. It's completely free. I'm putting this out there so you can start building your own dream. It's free to like and subscribe too. Thank you.